let's understand behaviors in Sprite Lab. That what are behaviors? So behaviors are like we go through this behaviors. So behaviors like if we do like this, sprite begins to this sprite begins moving north. So when I run that, the sprite moves towards north. So this is actually what behaviors are. And suppose we can do that they move with arrow keys. So then the sprite will begin moving with the arrow keys. Also we can edit it. So if you want to put, if it's very fast then reduce it, if it's slow then increase it. It's all upon you. Then it's also the sprite moving east. So if moving east like these, there are many behaviors where you can work upon, and these behaviors we are going to use for making our games in the upcoming video. So we will be just learning how can we use these behaviors in a game. Here I'm just giving you a rough idea of what are behaviors.